This is the Huawei MatePad Pro, which was launched in Malaysia just a couple of weeks ago. Retailing at 2,399 ringgit, it's an Android-based tablet that offers reasonably good value for money. Given that this is meant to be a competitor to the Apple iPad Pro, it has a number of features that gives it the edge over Apple's offering. For one, it also has a stylus in the form of the Huawei M Pencil, which can detect 4096 levels of pressure. Besides that, there is also a keyboard case for the MatePad Pro that works surprisingly well. I can actually type rather comfortably on it despite the compact layout. But these are features that you can also find on the iPad Pro, so naturally, Huawei added a number of features to the MatePad Pro that are quite exciting. One of the most interesting ones is the ability to do two-way wireless charging. That's right, you can use this tablet to charge any of your device that supports wireless charging. In fact, that's how the keyboard case and stylus, when it's attached to the side of the tablet, are charged with the MatePad Pro. Beyond that, this Android tablet sports a 10.8-inch 2560 by 1600 panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio. Thanks to the small bezel surrounding the display, the MatePad Pro has a clean screen-to-body ratio of 90%. Compared to other tablets in the market now, it does look particularly sleek. Oh, the screen also has a hole punch cutout for the 8-megapixel front-facing camera. Powering the MatePad Pro is none other than Huawei's latest flagship chipset, the Kirin 990. It's the same processor found in the company's other devices like the recently announced Huawei P40 series, so needless to say, the MatePad Pro offers more than enough processing power. In my brief time with the tablet, it definitely feels very responsive and zippy. When it comes to battery life, the MatePad Pro has a rather generous 7250 mAh battery, which supposedly allows the tablet to be used up to 12 hours. It can also do 20W wired fast charging or 15W wirelessly, and Huawei says that just 30 minutes of charging gives you 3 hours of battery life. That's really quite a reasonably good charging rate. Other specifications of the MatePad Pro include a 30-megapixel rear camera, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, and EMUI 10 based on Android 10 out of the box. Speaking of which, do note that this tablet does not have Google mobile services, so it doesn't come pre-installed with essential Google apps like the Google Play Store and YouTube, just to name a couple. Keep that in mind if you do plan to purchase this Android device. The Huawei MatePad Pro is now available for purchase in Malaysia for 2,399 ringgit. If you'd like to learn more about the tablet, click the link in the description box down below to visit Nextrift.com. And stay tuned for our full review of the MatePad Pro in the very near future. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here at Nextrift.